Hello, Slifer Slackers. This is Slifer Red Student here bringing you another Yu-Gi-Oh! Video. Today I have a special opening I got from Troll and Toad today, which included 3 Mega Packs of the newest Mega Tin, along with 3 of the newest foil cards from the Susano Tin. I got these packs for loose, and these are kinda pretty interesting. I didn't really want the tin, but I kinda really did, so I can hang it up on my own shelf. So anyway, the promos that come in this pack is Bujingi Susano, Bujingi Crane, and Archfiend Commander. Hang on. Now that those are out of the way, let's move in straight into Mega Packs, which I am very excited about. First pack. I'm looking to get some good spools. Alright, the first card we have is Dododo Buster, Organic Ghoul, Switch Hitter, Vector, Fast Draw, and our first rare is Brotherhood of Fire Kieran, and our ultra is Genomix Fighter, and ooh, Star Eater, that's sick, and Evil Cern Kirkion, that's awesome. So that's pretty good. These packs come with an ultra rare, secret rare, and a super rare, along with a rare card. And our comments. Alright, first pack, so good, actually. Alright, second pack. Let's see what we can get out of his. Alright. Vampire Kingdom. Alright, rare Duobarrow. And our ultra is Shapesister. And ooh, Pinpoint Guard, my favorite. And Mecha Phantom Beast Turtle Lancer, yeah. Don't really know that many good. Magnum Shield. And yeah. Final pack. Can we get anything good out of the last pack? Come on. Let's get an Exciton number 101. Dracocycle would be nice as well. A lot of things would be nice, actually. Let's see what we can get out of this one. Drew. Bujingi Raven, and our ultra is Sylvan Hermitry. That's actually pretty good. And Mobius. Fuck you. Ecofinus, that guy. Alrighty then, we had a decent box pack. I mean, loose pack, actually, which is not too bad, actually. So now let's just review the commons and rares. Kieran. And the house which should go over there. So yeah. And our ultras our secrets, our supers, and yeah, YouTube, that was my Mega Tin Susano opening, and I'll hope to do the Fire Fist one. Until then, this is Slifer Red Student, signing